Alright, so today we're going to be showing you guys how the RYOBI 1900 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute power washer works today. Alright? So as you can see, here, this has already been done over here. But over here, it has not been done. And it's very black. You can tell the contrast here of the two. Get the light just right. It was better when I didn't have it all wet. But yeah, you can see when I did this first section over here, I went over here, I did some squiggly lines, so you can actually see here the power that it has. So we're gonna do real quick here, here's a little time lapse of what it's gonna look like, all right? Now you can see this section is just as clean as the last one.